Starting. Okay, let us start today. I
এমনি
want
তাহলে
to
একবার
discuss
ডেমি করে দেখি কি
about the, that cell. Cell is the most important of life. Robert Hooke, one of the great scientists, he discovered the cell. Letter makes words, word makes sentence, sentence makes word in this paragraph. Similarly, cell makes tissue, tissue makes tissue, then tissue makes organ, organ makes what is this? Different types of body. In the cell, lot of cell organelles present. So organelles, organ is not same. Organ means your heart is the larger thing. Organelles means very minute. It is in the cell. First important cell organelles is the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. It produces the ATP, that is called adenosine triphosphate. We have the other organelles in the cell, which is called plastid. It is only present in the plant cell. So question will arise: do you think plastid is present in animal cell? No, it is present in only plant cell. There are the three kinds of plastid. One is the chloroplastid. Chloro means green and chromo means color. Chromoplastid and the leucoplastid, which is colorless. Naturally, it will found in the root. And we have the another important cell organelles, which is the suicide work, because it helps to digest the different types of food particles, which is the lysosome. Yes or not, students? So be careful. So there are a lot of confusions regarding cell. Organelles and organ. Organelles means very small things, which is in the minute, it is in the cell. But nucleus is the brain of the cell, which controls all activities of the cell. This is the basic idea of the cell. If you think that in our house, it is required the bricks. Without bricks, you cannot make the house. Similarly, cell, without cell, you cannot make your body, any living body. Cellular features is the most important feature of living organism. That's why another important part is the nucleus. There are the four important part of nucleus: nucleolus, which is the center part of the nucleus; nuclear membrane, which gives the shape of the nucleus. We have the other important things, that is called nuclear reticulum, which is the network structure, which is dissolved in the nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm means, it is the liquid substance of the nucleus, like cytoplasm. Cyto means cell. That's why study of cell is called the cytology. Someone is asking ornithology, study of birds. Logy means any case study. Don't forget, my dear students. Podology, study of soil. See, logy means study. Biology, study of living things. Yes or not? Ecology, study of ecosystem. Logy means study. That's why I want to express. Similarly. So many things, many logy, ornithology, entomology, many things are there. So a lot of logies are present in our biology. Understand? So zoology also, study of animals. Zoo means, if you go to the Alifut Zoo, okay, that means there is the animal thing. Zoology. Botany, that study of what is this plant. And physiology, study of different system in our body. So I want to express, lastly I want to say, the kinds of question is the most important. Question measurement. So from cell chapter, there is the first you have to remember who discovered the cell, Robert Hooke. The next question, who discovered the nucleus, Robert Brown. Regarding cell theory, Leiden and so on, they are the two important scientists. And cell is the different place, different interesting thing. If you see the kidney, cell of kidney, which comes from the executive system, that is called nephron. Cell of the brain, or maybe the nervous system, because brain is the part of the central nervous system. Yes or not? So because central nervous system, there are two important, brain and spinal cord. And in the brain as well as spinal cord, we have a lot of cells, which is called the neuron. That is called nerve cell. So that's why cell is the most important part of your body. If you think, first is the letter. Without letter, you cannot talk any language. So similarly, without cell, you will be blind person. So you cannot think without cell our life. So that's why cell is the minute and cell is the microscopic. Cell, there are the two kinds, unicellular and multi-unicellular. Means it has only one cell. First, it has the evidence. First unicellular animals in the earth, that is called protozoa, which is proto means earlier, zoa means animal, amoeba, proteus. Then after that, yeast also came. And before that, there are the two kinds of the cell, prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Pro means primitive cell, that's nucleus not so much developed, whereas the eukaryotic means ideal cell. And multicellular means what is this? We have the many cells. If you see mango, there is a lot of cells, multicellular. So question will arise, which is the suicide bag of cell, you have to say, that is lysosome. Which is the protein factory ribosome, it produces a lot of proteins. Another important part, cell wall only present in the plant cell, not only in the animal cell. But cell membrane, both animal cell, plant cell, there is the present. That's why question will arise. And also, which is the largest cell, ostrich egg, and smallest cell, that is mycoplasma, which is called PPLO, pneumonia, pleuropneumonia like organism. So, my dear students, you remember it. Chapter is not question. Question, you have to first gain the knowledge. According to syllabus, you have to go. This is appropriate for ICC or any board, CBSE and WB board. And regarding cell chapter, preliminary idea. So don't forget. So question will arise, fill in the blanks, true, false, many types of questions. But you have to gain the knowledge, so you can appear for the type of question. So you gain the knowledge, preliminary idea, you take it. So generally you will get a lot of things, lot of marks. Okay. And another important thing, question measurement is that according to question you have to write the answer. So I'm going to finish my class. So it is coming from KOUSHOL, Kestopur Milon Bazar. Thank you, and I think you will follow. This is the very short speech. So remember it regarding cell. Cell is the most important chapter of biology. Thank you, my dear students.